Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. I should add like a twang to it, like Aisha Loves Makeup and Crystals, because I'm doing a crystal subscription box right now. But yes, Aisha Loves Makeup and Crystals. And I'm excited because I got my Mindful Souls box in the mail. I'm super duper excited to do unboxing for you guys today. As you guys know, this is like my most favorite box to unbox every single month. And that's sad to say lately because I'm a makeup channel, and why is it the crystal boxes are exciting me more than ever? Like, I'm just super excited. I don't know, this box in general, like, it just never fails to disappoint, though. I really have to say. I can't speak for anybody else, but for me personally, their jewelry is phenomenal. Anything from this box that I get that I wear, tons of people just tell me they love my jewelry that I'm wearing and that it looks like great quality, and I love everything. I'm excited. I'm gonna just stop talking because I know you guys want to see what's in this box. As always, what do I tell you guys? If you guys want to know what I got in my box, you guys know what to do. Just keep on watching. So if you're new to my channel, like I said, I do a lot of makeup subscription unboxings on my channel, unboxings and hauls and all that other fun stuff. So if that's things that you think you might like watching, or even if you just want to subscribe to me because you like me and you want to show me your girl some support and help her get to 2,000 subscribers, then, you know, you could just do that. You know, I appreciate, I'll take what I could get. I will take what I can get. You know, beggars can't be choosers. Or if you want to just like my, video, give me a little thumbs up, show your girl a little support. I'll take that too. So let's stop talking and get into this box. Alrighty, I almost forgot to tell you guys, and I don't want to forget because this is important because you can save some coin. If you do like this box and you want to save a little coins, I do have a code. My code is Miss_Aisha to get 20% off your box. Now the box is $39.97 per box, and you get like 6 to 8 items, which I think is very fair. If it was me, the box should even be worth more money for the high quality amount of stuff you guys can get. Alrighty, so let's see. So when I open the box, it looks like so. I got a little book. I got a little card. Another card. And I want to say a sticker. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little baggies. I'm super excited. Let's dig in. Actually, oh look, I got these. Oh, these Palo Santo sticks? I don't know. I have to see. Like I said in previous videos, I'm still kind of like new to the crystal world. I want to say like maybe like 3-4 years into it. So I don't know everything, nor do I claim to know everything. So I don't need the crystal community, crystal gurus coming on my channel telling me,
you pronounced that wrong. This actually does that.
Like, I didn't say I was an expert. I'm just, that's why I got the boxes to learn from, all of the stuff that I get. So please be nice on my channel. But yeah, so we actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so it was 6. No, 7 things. Look at all of these things that I got. Do you see why I love this box, guys? Alrighty, guys. So let's go over the cards. I keep all of my cards, like I said. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 cards, so I must be on my 9th box, I want to say, right? So these are all the boxes I received, and they all have like little quotes on the back. I also keep like the little cards. These are affirmation cards. I keep all of the affirmation cards as well. Sometimes if I just want like I don't know, a positive quote or positive affirmation for the day, I'll just pull a card and just read it. So let's see the one that I got this time around for this box. This one says, our life is shaped by our mind, for we become what we think. Buddha. When you're positive, you will attract positive things. I'm a firm believer in that. The back shows you what you're going to get in your box. I try not to look, but like when I go over each thing in a box, I have to look anyway, so I spoil my surprise for myself. Then my affirmation card for this month is, I am healthy, healed, and whole. Alrighty, let's get into the box. Oh, what is this? I got a little puppy. He's meditating. I have to meditate more, like in the mornings. I just never have time in the mornings. I'm always rushing, but definitely want to start doing that again. And let's get into the box. So these, I don't know if these are Palo Santo sticks, but they smell really nice. They smell like Palo Santo 6 though, because I have Palo Santo 6 and they smell like it. I have Palo Santo cones as well. Let's see if I am right. Oh, snap. Oh, snap, 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 snap. See, it is Palo Santo holy wood sticks. So your girl is learning her products. She is learning her crystals, and you know, I'm impressed. If you would have asked me a year ago what this was, I would have been like, I don't know, pieces of a tree that they just shaved off. Like I don't know, but proud of myself. So Palo Santo is known for holy wood. It is enjoyed by many for its energetically cleansing and healing properties, similar to sage and cedar. It provides an uplifting scent that raises your vibration in preparation for meditation and allows for a deeper connection to the source of all creation. How to use. Take one stick and light it. Allow Palo Santo to burn for 30 seconds to a minute, then carefully blow it out. Move around the space in which you wish to clear the energy. Loves it. Alrighty, now let's dig into the pouches. Pouch number 1. I also save a lot of these pouches too. Ooh, it is a Amethyst Crystal. It has like a little magnet on it, so it looks like I could... Oh, I know exactly where I'm going to put this. I know exactly where I'm going to put this. So, I even put this even on the fridge too. Just wherever you have anything where you want to just have like a calming... And this is known for like a calming stone. If you suffer from anxiety, this is a good stone to use to help keep you calm. Amethyst is going to be a rock, but let's see what they say about amethyst. It says amethyst is one of the most valuable crystals when you have to solve a difficult problem in your life, especially when one where emotions are running high. Amethyst is especially supportive of the emotional body, brings you those who are overworked, overstressed, or overwhelmed back to the center. A perfect crystal to have around. And I'm overworked, not because somebody forces me to. It's just, Virgos are hard workers and we always want to do our best. I cannot help myself. I cannot help that we're perfectionists. So I won't stop until everything is perfect. So it's a gift and a curse. But that's that. Next pouch. Feels like a bracelet. Or jewelry. Ooh, I love their jewelry pieces. So this is a new moon jasper necklace. This necklace is a symbol of new beginnings and a fresh start. It is made out of jasper, which is known to be a truly valuable stone to cleanse negative energy, soothe the nerves, and increase one's focus to ensure a change in one's life. I love this. This is pretty. Love, love, love. And their quality in their jewelry is really nice. Like a lot of my stuff I wear a lot and they do not fade. So I love this. Alrighty, next pouch. Oh, I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. This looks like the top one right here. And it says rough chrysocolla. I don't know if I said that right. It says this is a rock for empowering feminine energy in men and women because it is deeply connected to the vibration of the earth, which vibrates with the purest energy of love. It also opens the throat chakra, which boosts clear communication and self-expression by drawing negativity from the body. Whatever challenges you're facing, whether it's a breakup or a job loss, the stone calms emotions so you can heal and move on. That was deep. That was deep. Next, little sash. What do you call it? Sash. Another crystal. Ooh. My collection is growing from these boxes. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Very pretty, very pretty. Sorry, I smelled the Palo Santo, but I was like wondering if it was this. So this is a rough fluorite chunk. I have a lot of different types of fluorite. Fluorite is a very protective crystal. This is particularly useful crystal to have at work to help you more organize and or focus. It's also a powerful crystal to ward off negative energy that threaten your personal relations. It can purify your body and eliminate anything that causes it not to function properly. It can bring you calmness and relaxation. I love that. So I can use this rather than using my amethyst crystal. So I love that. Alrighty, let's see. What else we got? Oh, this is pretty. Look at this, guys. Wow, wow, wow. This is a mixed stone and amethyst bracelet. This stunning crystal bracelet features 7 stones representing the 7 chakras of the body and a stunning piece of amethyst. Use this bracelet to enhance your higher self and trust the stones to help you when aligning your chakras. Sorry, I probably had it wrong. Sorry. Look at that. Look at that. Very pretty. I love it. Next pouch. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Look at this, guys. How pretty. This is beautiful. Can you guys see? Wow. This is a friendship bracelet. The Hamsa and red string in all face is a protective sign. The wearer of the Hamsa hand can wear it facing up or down and is believed to give the owner success, harmony, and protection from the evil eye. Oh, I definitely need to wear this. This is cute. She cute. She is cute. I'm definitely going to wear this. And that's all she wrote, guys. I'm super excited for this box. This box never disappoints. If you want a box that is going to literally blow your mind every single time and get amazing, high quality crystal pieces, I mean, guys, just look at them. High quality, high quality. This ain't no cheap stuff. This is high quality crystals, high quality jewelry. Like, this is the box for you. So very excited for everything that I got. Super, super excited. And as always, I want to say thank you to Mindful Souls for giving me these boxes. It is greatly appreciated. I really love your boxes, and it means a lot to me that, you guys reached out and let me, review your products. It really makes my day every single month to get these boxes. So thank you guys so much. And guys, let me know what you guys think about the box down below. And super excited to try everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys soon.